Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Let's Learn Chess. Chess is a board game and which is played by the two players. Each player controls an army of 16 pieces. Starting with white, the players take turns moving one piece each turn, and some facts about this wonderful game are given below. Can you complete them by filling the blank? Here is the help box. So first is, on a chess board there are dash black and white square. कितने square होते हैं black and white मिलाकर? That are 64. Next is, out of 16 pieces, each player has 8 dash placed in the front row. 16 पीस सबके पास होते हैं, ठीक है. 16 पीसेस में से 8 पीस जो हैं वो आगे की रो में रखे होते हैं. So that is 8 pawns you can say, PAWNS. Next is, in the back row, each player has 2 dash which can move any number of squares in the diagonal direction. Back row में हर एक player के पास 2 क्या होते हैं जो किसी भी diagonal direction में move कर सकते हैं? That are 2 bishops. So this is number 3. Number 4, that is, the back row also has 2 dash which can move any number of squares in a straight line along any column or row but not diagonally. Back row में 2 ये भी होते हैं जो diagonally move नहीं कर सकते लेकिन column और row में move कर सकते हैं. So they are rooks. So this is number 4, rooks. Next is, there are 2 dash in the black row which can jump over other pieces to move 2 square in a straight line and then 1 square sideways. So number 5 is knights. So here is knights. Come to number 6. The dash is the most powerful piece on the chessboard and she can move any number of square in any direction. सबसे powerful piece होता है ये chessboard का और किसी भी direction में move कर सकती है. So this is queen. Right, so number 6 is queen. Come to number 7. The dash is placed in the center of the back row and can move only 1 square at a time in any direction. That is king. So number 7, king. Next is, king is once allowed to make a special move which is known as, king को एक move करना allow होता है. So that move is known as castling. So this is number 8. And the last is, the objective of both the players playing the games is to dash the opponent's king, that is checkmate. So this is number 9. Okay. And this is the fact bank that you have to know. The early Indian and Persian forms of chess had no queen. पहले का जो chess होता था उसमें कोई queen नहीं होती थी. Instead they gave the king a counselor that had nearly half the power of the monarch. और king को एक counselor, king का एक counselor वो बना देते थे, ठीक है, जिसके पास half of the power होती थी, ठीक है. king के पास पूरी power होती थी, half उसके counselor के पास होती थी. So बच्चे, this is the chapter related to chess. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको read करेंगे, देन एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस अपनी बुक में खुद करेंगे.